Welcome back, everyone. You might be in a weird situation where for some reason you keep getting these specific errors, whether they're most likely it's, the try again error or try again later. And this can happen for a ton of different reasons, but more specifically, I think most likely the reason you're getting it is because you're just doing a lot of activity that might be considered bot activity. So if you just started up a brand new Instagram account and you have no followers and you're going around and just liking random photos and following a bunch of people and posting a bunch, at some point Instagram might consider that like a bot activity and might try to put like a ban on your account. They won't necessarily ban it outright, but they will stop you from doing certain things. It's almost like an action block, which I've already made a video on, but this is less an action block because they're just gonna say try again later. And this usually happens if you try to post a photo or if you try to leave a comment too many times. If you're liking a bunch of photos at one time, this can also add to it, but I don't think you're going to get that try again later thing. So for example, let's just say I made a new account and let's say I'm going through my own profile and I'm liking a bunch of things. Okay, you guys know I already like my photos. I'm going through liking a bunch of things, whatever, right? And I go and try to comment and then I'm posting a bunch and all this stuff as soon as I made my account. Or if my account is like less than like a week old, Instagram will see that and be like, bro, this guy is posting way too much. They've automated so many things that if your account seems to be a bot, even if it's a real person, they'll just assume you're like a robot who's just like spamming too much and they don't want that on their, application. So what I would recommend doing is kind of slowing down on, how much you're liking, how much you're commenting, how much you're posting, and maybe give it like a little bit of time, maybe like a couple hours, maybe even a couple of days between your posts that you're doing, because this will allow it so there's a little bit more time going. And Instagram will view your account and basically see that, oh, it's probably not a bot. This is normal activity. If you're going through and following a bunch of people and posting a bunch, even within like probably like a month of you owning your account, Instagram will probably view that as bot activity. So just imagine your Instagram. If you're doing a lot of things that might seem like you're a bot, even though you're trying to grow your account, it's normal things. Instagram just doesn't want to see a bunch of comments like, oh, follow for a like and stuff like that. So that's the main way to go about doing it. If you're getting that try again later icon or action or whatever, that's the number one way to go about it, is just to kind of slow down on how much you're liking and posting and stuff like that. Now, let's say you're not doing that. Let's say you only posted one time. Well, most likely then it's just probably a network issue. So if you're getting an error like this, whatever this says, or if you're posting or commenting and it says try again later, that might mean that your network is bad and you might have to go and disconnect from your current Wi-Fi, connect to mobile, or connect from mobile to Wi-Fi. Or if you're on like a random road trip or something like that and you're driving on the highway, I've seen this time and time again and nobody talks about it. But while I'm ever on like Snapchat or TikTok or Instagram, every time I'm scrolling through when I'm on like the freeway, and obviously I'm not driving, I always get these random buffers and stuff and always like these try again or can't load story or whatever. So if you're not doing a bunch of bot activity that might seem like bot activity, then just connecting to a reliable network is probably the best way to go. So that's really pretty much it. A couple ways to go about fixing it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.